Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you this wig I got from UniWigs and how I put it on. So the first thing I'm doing is some Dutch pigtail braids just to make it easier to put the wig cap on. This is optional, but if your hair is longer, I recommend you do some braids or something just to keep it easier to put in the wig cap. Okay, so I'm just going to split my hair into two, and I'm going to part off half of the hair. And then on the other side, I'm going to start a Dutch braid. This is basically a French braid, but you're just going under instead of over. You're still adding in hair though. So you split your hair into 3 equal sections, and you're going to take the one closest on the edge, and you're going to go under the middle, take the next one, go under the middle, and then go under the middle again, and add in a section of hair. Then you're going to continue this all the way down until you run out of hair to add in. So you just go under, add in hair, under, add in hair, under, add in hair. And I hope you guys can kind of get the hang of it, and I'm just going to leave some footage in here just to kind of watch and learn. Pins just to kind of make it as flat as possible, so then the wig will lie flat on my head. I know this looks fabulous, just kidding, but I'm just gonna take the wig cap and put it on. I know I put it on wrong because I watched a tutorial and you're supposed to put it on like a headband. That's what the hole in the middle is for, and I didn't realize that. And then I'm just gonna put the wig on, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like kind of up close. I'll show you in another clip. Kind of up close, because without the black roots it looks a lot more natural on me. That's not the wig's fault, that's my fault for picking out one that wouldn't look natural on me, because I don't have naturally dark hair, but somebody who had black hair or dark brown hair would probably rock this wig a lot better. And if it had blonde roots, I think it would look a little bit more natural on me just for my skin tone. But I love it anyway because it's so amazing, and the hair is just so long and pretty, and I love it so much. If any of you guys have wigs and have any tips for me, please leave them down below. Just don't be mean, please. Don't leave a hate comment. But if you guys have any tips, please let me know, because I would love to get better at putting them on. And yeah, I'm so excited to use this for like Halloween, to do some cute hairstyles on. And yeah, thank you so much to UniWigs for sending it to me. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!